Here at Blueprint Autos, we strive to provide the best possible service for your vehicle. So in this video, we're going to show you how we do that. First, your vehicle will go through a 53-point health check. After that health check, we contact you with the health check results and cost of repairs.
Hi, it's Paula here in Blueprint Autos. I'm just calling to discuss your health check.
Now that we've got the customer's permission, it's time to carry out those repairs and service on the vehicle using the recommended OE quality oils and oil filters. Before we change the oil in your engine, we flush your engine using a BG Engine Performance Restoration. Using OE quality oils and filters ensures that if your vehicle is still under manufacturer warranty, this warranty will not be invalidated. And now for a test drive. With service labels in place, this vehicle is ready for the customer to collect.
Now then, this is your invoice. It's your breakdown of your service today with your BG engine flush and your fuel additive, your brake and breakdown that we discussed when we called, and this is your recommended service that are outstanding on your vehicle.
So that's it. If it's high quality servicing you're looking for, thank you. Why not call into us at Blueprint Autos, where we give you confidence in your car.